Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. So here we have the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 earphones, and the packaging is extremely neat, and it also is very similar to how the company packages its phones itself. On the back right here, you can see that the earphones has a Qualcomm aptX HD audio codec support, and other than that, you really don't have a lot of information back here. So let's open this up. When you open it up, you're greeted by the Never Settle slogan, which is OnePlus's slogan as we know. And right here, you have a packaging which consists of, first of all, the safety information and warranty guide if you need it. And also you should have, yes, the user guide right here, and you can read all the information about how to connect your earphones, how to use them in here. So let's set this aside right now and get into the meat. So this is the packaging, how it looks like. It's presented extremely well. It looks very glossy, very fancy. So now let's open it. And there you have it. So it looks like in here we have the carrying case attached to the earphones itself. Let's set this aside for a moment and look at what we have here. In here you have the silicone tips, so this is the small size right here, and this is the large size. We have attached the medium ones on these. Now let's get into the pouch itself and see what it holds. Firstly, you will see the headphones themselves. These are a neckband style headphones and they look pretty neat. They're in sea green color. Let's set this aside. In here you also have the OnePlus charging cable. Using this charging cable, you can charge these pair of headphones to 10 hours in a mere 10 minutes. The total battery life of these headphones is 14 hours, and charging it all the way up to 10 hours worth of battery life within 10 minutes is astounding. So let's open these up. You have the white and the red Type-C cable. So you obviously get faster charge, and if you connect it to the warp charger which comes with the OnePlus devices, that's when you'll get those insane charge speeds. Let's set this aside. This is the case, which reminds us of Pac-Man for some reason. Look at it. Yeah, so it has a magnet on the top. It is a silicone case and it is very, very compact. However, what we feel about this case is it's way too small to fit all the contents into. So these were the OnePlus Bullets Wireless 2 headphones for you guys. Thank you for watching.